Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Is this not one of the coolest glasses you've ever seen? I'm somebody who gestures a lot, especially when I'm with my friends, and so I am constantly knocking over glasses, and having a tall martini glass just is super tippy, and I would definitely knock it over and break it all the time. I love these glasses from Straight Shooter because you get the look of a martini glass, but it's very stable because it has surrounding glass. I think these glasses are classy. They definitely shine the best with a darker liquid so that you can really see the triangle form inside. I also like that the surrounding glass helps the liquid inside the drink to stay cold. That way your fingers aren't warming up the liquid by being directly on the glass. I think that these would make a fabulous gift. They're definitely different than most martini or cocktail glasses that I've seen, and I really like things that are unique. It makes my kombucha look so festive. I love it. If you're looking for some fun cocktail glasses that are really cool looking, I recommend checking these out, and that's my point of view.